Alright guys, here's a quick video on how to tape your wheel weights. If you've taken your car to the track, you've probably experienced your wheel weights coming off as soon as you're pulling back into the pits because you have generated enough heat in your brake calipers that have transferred into your rim that actually ended up melting the glue that holds the wheel weights in place. You're gonna hear a crackling noise, and then the weights will fall off once you stop. So how do you deal with that? There are a couple of solutions, but the best one appears to be using this aluminum-based racer tape. You can buy that on Amazon or other places. It's a one-sided tape that can withstand a lot more heat than glue can. However, it is not a set it and forget it solution. You will probably still have to replace the tape maybe every 2 or 3 weekends. Mine seems to last about that long, and then it starts to break and peel. So rather than risking losing it again, I will just go ahead and replace it in my garage before I get to the track. To treat the surface, you want to use some kind of a brake cleaner. I choose to use this brake clean by CRC. It's a non-chlorinated one, and the important feature of the non-chlorinated one is that it will not degrade paint. The chlorinated brake cleaners will eat into the paint, so if you accidentally spray it onto your car, you still want to wipe it, obviously, but you don't have to worry about it eating into your clear coat and your paint, and on the wheels. I just use a rag, spray it and clean it. So what I do is just use scissors to cut the desired size. I go probably a little bit larger than maybe some people will do, but I want to have enough coverage over the weights and then have enough space on both sides to secure it. So for this particular one, it's only one weight, and I've chosen to cut a relatively large piece of the tape, and then I will just place it over the weight. I will just kind of slowly push it down into place. There is a little groove here in the wheel, so make sure to get all the air out of that, and then do the same here on the other side. You know, don't press against the sides here to break it accidentally. I probably could have done a slightly better job pressing that down around the weight. As I said, you do want to keep an eye on it. Maybe every other race weekend or your track day weekend, you want to take that off and clean it and replace it. If you have any questions about the race tape or how to install it, how to clean your wheels, let me know, and I will try to get back to you.